Hello all, welcome back. This is Ram Prakash Turaisamy. So let's start our second session today. So yesterday we have seen understanding form context in Microsoft Dynamics CRM and with the Dataverse environment. So today we are just going to see using Xrm.Page.getAttribute. As I said, it is going to be a form context. I'll just to differentiate and show you how that form context is working. The same way how Xrm.Page is also working. And there we will see how to use get and set of field values. So for that, we are going to use our existing solution which we have created yesterday. So from there, we'll just start off. So today's agenda is to get a value and set it in another field value. So it's like we need two fields, like we need to get values from one field and we are going to set it in another field. So like that we are going to do it out. So for that, I'll just go to my environment. I'll directly go to my solution. I'll go to my solution which I have created yesterday. I'll expand my table. I'll expand my table again here. I'll click on columns. So this is the primary column which we have, sorry, this is the primary column which is already there. So, well, I mean, whenever an entity gets created, this column will automatically gets created. Now, I'll directly click on new column again here. I'll say uh, set value. Okay. I'll put it as single line of text here. I'll save this one. Let's wait for the field to get saved. So now what I'll do, I'll just directly go to my form. I'll click on my main form. And in the main form, so we have this field which is already available, which is like, as I said, when an entity gets created. Now I need to add another field which I just created. That's it. Now I'll just save and publish this one. So now what we are going to do, so I'll just do a simple operation like whenever a page gets saved, which means that whenever I save this record, I need to set the value from this field to this field. Okay, so simple one. So what I'm going to do now for that, I'll just go back. I'll expand the table. I'll expand the what can I say, the column. I'll copy the logical name of this one. Okay, so I'll just go to my Visual Studio. I'll write a simple code which is like if form context dot get attribute of the field, which is nothing but this logical name field. Logical name dot get value not equal to null. If that is the case, what I need to do, I need to set a value. In which field I need to set a value? So, which is nothing but the field which I just created. I'll click on this field. I'll take a logical name of this field. I'll paste this one. And what is the set value? I said, as I said, set value. I need to do it out. And what is the value which I need to set? I need to set this value. Okay. So I'll just explain it clear again. So okay, I'm already written a function for onload, so I'm just reusing the same onload. So whenever a page gets loaded, we are already passing the execution context from the execution context, which is nothing but from the form. I'm taking all the values against that one. I'm just checking this field contains data or not, which is nothing but not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, directly go and set a value in this field which is available in this field, which is nothing but uh, populate from day name to set value. That's it. Okay. Now I'll just simply save this one. I'll go to my solution again. I'll click on my web resource. I'll click on my web resource again. I'll click on edit. Let's wait for this to get loaded. Hmm. Okay, let me make a hard refresh again. It's taking a lot of time to load it. So I'll just click on the web resources again. Okay, I'll choose a file. I'll choose that file. I'll click on save. I'll publish this one. Now I'll go to my app. I'll run my model driven app which we have created yesterday. I'll play this one. Yeah. Now I'll just open this one. So here you can able to see this field which I recently created. But whatever value which is there, it just automatically gets populated here. Now consider I'm creating a new record. While creating a new record, I'll say D2 with get value and set value. I'll save this one. So once after I save, the onload triggers and it automatically gets populated here. That's it. So how it is working, I'll go with the debugger part. I'll go to my console and in the console, I'll directly say Control P. I'll say Bosch underscore the JavaScript. Okay, fine. Not an issue. I'll make a refresh so that the debugger will automatically hits here. Yes. So here you can able to see the debugger automatically hits here. So what it will do, it will directly go to here and it will check whether it is a null or not. So here we are getting the value which is means that it is not null and it automatically goes here and set the value. So I'll just simply show you another value as well. So for example, for now I'm just using the form context, how Xrm context will work. So for example, let me go with form context dot get attribute of Bosch underscore day name dot get value. Okay, so it is returning the value. The same way, if I use Xrm.Page.getAttribute of Bosch underscore day name dot get value. This will also return the same value. So instead of using a Xrm.Page, we are using a form context by passing a parameter that we I just showed it in the day one session. So that's it. So this is how you can simply use a get value and set a value in a field. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.